Hello guys, it's Genevieve Tabili Norman. This is the place of Frank's father. And then, I am a daughter-in-law. Marami nangyayari dito. Hindi lang natin tansya. Lots of memories. Lots of pain, heartaches. Siya po na lahat-lahat. I am the one planting. Malayo siya guys yung sa lights ba. I'm thankful to the owner of the house even though you are not existed at all. But your love and compassion to the place that I'm living is still here. Yang pagka-father-in-law mo, kahit hindi ka na nakarinig sa akin, parang naramdaman ko yung guidance mo, hindi yung sanahanin niyang walang utak, but you, thank you for you. Kasi sa mga dingding, idinikit mo pala siguro para kung sino yung willing to ma-fix niya yun. I'm very thankful for you. Father-in-law, I hope you will be happy saan ka man naroroon. Kasi naluluka na ako dito kakadipinsa sa lugar mo of the people that jealous. Wala naman kaming ginawang masama guys. Who are they by the way? Wala talaga akong ginawang masama to them. Yung nagsilos lang sila sa wala. Guys, dito na lang ako. Maraming salamat. Bye.